Hey guys, welcome back to another ZPult unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at a Soundpeats product for today. So I have reviewed several TWS, and of course I did commit to reviewing more TWS, and Soundpeats is one of the more popular ones here in this channel in terms of the requests, especially in the ZPult channel. So of course this came from Lazada. I believe this is around 1,200 pesos. Of course, links down below if you want to get one. And definitely, it's in the $20 range. So this will be right smack with the KZ S1 and S1D. And I already reviewed both of that. And of course, I'm gonna do a full like $20 comparison. And we're gonna find out what's the best sounding of the bunch. So definitely, yes, for TWS, there's a lot of reviews, but I want to focus more on the sound reviews. And yeah, being an audio enthusiast channel, I want to focus more on the sound quality more than anything else. So taking a look at the box itself, yeah, this is actually one of the first that we've unboxed from the Lazada package itself. So this is actually the Soundpeats Truedots, and this sort of looks like what you get with the Xiaomi's of the world. So it says Truedot, Shenzhen Sound Soul Information Technology, and Soundpeats, of course, and actually not a lot in the box. Sound for urban sports, of course. Unboxing it now. Actually, this is a pretty nice package. This is a more upscale package than your usual, I would say, KZs. So this sort of like your MPOW kind of packaging, very premium looking kind of packaging. Of course, opening it up, and of course inside you get that kind of look. It's a minimalist kind of look overall. Truedot, opening it up, and this is what you're gonna get in the box. Are you ready for the unboxing experience? So it's more of like your recycled kind of box look. So opening it up, logo update. So what's this one? Facebook, and yeah, you can follow them. Logo update. So they've changed their logo. The new one is kind of a little bit better, I would say, but they're both not super good, I'd say. Customer service, customer care. Of course, inside you get a lot of actually paper trail, and of course you get that IEM or the earbuds itself, and this is what you get. Of course, let's take a look at that later. Of course, here in this, actually there's a lot of stuff in the box, frankly speaking. And this one, of course, you get a cable, and this is supposed to be, of course, a USB micro USB cable. Oh, actually this is still micro USB. And here in this part you get sets of tips. So yeah, typical packaging, I'd say. No case, but you have a lot of papers. So looking at the IEM or earbud itself, you get that new logo. Of course, on the underside it says 310 milliamperes, 5-volt input, Truedot micro USB. Opening it up, and wow, this is what you're gonna get. And the texture wise is fairly light. It's sort of like similar compared to what you get with the maybe Xiaomi Redmi AirDots here at this side. There you go, sort of similar in terms of the overall texture and overall weight as well. It's quite light on the hand, and this is the fit that you're gonna get, or also similar to what you get with the Haylou GT1 as well. So it says Soundpeats there when you zoom in. Of course, this seems like to be a touch part, and of course you get the charging. And let's try to open up and charge this thing up. Alright, so we're actually now connecting with my Hebe R3, and it's actually having a hard time to connect to both. So only one is working, so that's not a good sign right off the bat with the Truedots. Right, so it's not working. So fortunately, it now worked. Alright, so we're gonna listen to, of course, first listen with the Truedots, okay? So definitely it's a dynamic driver kind of sound. It has some shimmer on top. I would say it's similar to the Redmi AirDots. It has a boomy bass at the bottom. Kind of a U-shaped sound. So the vocals are not that recessed in the mix. There's a lot of shimmer on top, so definitely this has a lot of clarity on top. And it's a musical, exciting listen overall. It's definitely a fun sound. And punchy bass also. and shimmery highs at the top. Alright, so that is our initial listen with the Soundpeats Truedots. So yes, this is a fun kind of listen, so I can see a lot of people liking this one. Frankly speaking, in our initial listen, I'm kind of digging the S1 more, the KZs more. Of course, I guess that is kind of warranted because usually KZ does really good in the sound quality overall. But this one is a fun sound right off the bat. But of course, we're gonna do a full review of this. I'm gonna use it first in my day with the Soundpeats Truedots. But yes, I would say it falls right smack in the $20 range. But which one is the best? That's what we're gonna figure out in the full review. That is our initial look and our unboxing of the Soundpeats Truedot. Of course, if you have additional questions before the review, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, subscribe in the zpol channel and subscribe also here in zpol Unboxing if you learned something and if you like more content like this. Raw unboxing experience, me just having fun with the boxes here in this channel. Of course, subscribe for that here in the channel. And of course, if you want to get the Soundpeats Truedot, use my links down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.